And welcome in to be our guest. You know, spring is in the air finally, and normally spring has a ritual that goes with it. And I know going fishing is wonderful, but guess what you've got to do? A little spring cleaning. Ooh. And spring cleaning lets you know that there's maybe some areas of your house that need replacement. Jeff Mallinson's here from Georgia Floors Direct. And Jeff, in this show we want to talk about blinds and countertops.
That's right. We do all types of window coverings, blinds, shades, and shutters. We've got beautiful quartz, granite, and marble countertops. And for all you men out there who the wives say, I want you to take all these blinds down and then I want you to go buy some and put them back up. Don't go through that headache. Come to Georgia Floors Direct. We will handle it all. We'll take them down. We'll haul them away. We'll put the new ones up. All you got to do is pay for it, and Mom will be super happy. And
Dad'll be super happy.
Dad'll be super happy too. And we do the the motorized roller shades, which are great if you've got a back area, a sun porch, or patio or back of the house that you have sun coming in. You want to get some roller shades to block that sun from coming in. Not only will it block the sun, but it'll lower the temperature and make it more comfortable in there. And you can see all of these at Georgia Floors Direct. We're putting in actually a new showroom for blinds, shades, and shutters to show them all, and all of our granite, quartz, and marble countertops. It's going to take some time because you got to get all the samples, get them cut for our display. But we're going to have about 72 options of granite, quartz, and marble. We've got an endless amount of options for blinds, shades, and shutters. The shades that we do, the motorized shades, you can get bamboo, you can get seagrass, you can get all kinds of different. You can get the type that have the light blocking on the back, which completely blocks out any light from coming in. Or you can leave them where they're a little transparent, where you can see out. So we've got a lot of options, and we're second to none.
And winter is just beyond us now.
That's right.
And when it was cold, if you sat by a window and the sun came in, you felt warmth.
Yeah.
You felt the heat from the sun.
That's right.
Well, that same heat's going to stay with us all year long.
That's right.
And we just had the people on from Alabama Power, and we were just talking about ways to get that power bill down. One of the key ways they talked about is being able to block the sun from getting into your house.
Well, we've got the big windows across the front of our store at Georgia Floors Direct, and we put roller shades.
And you face the west.
Exactly. So when the sun goes down, that light would beam in on us, and it was hard. We'd have to kind of get behind the customer to talk so the light wouldn't blind us, and it was really hot up there. Now the sun is blocked out, and also, we can still see outside. We can see when people drive up, we can see the sun, but the temperature is lower, and we can actually see a lot better. So there's a lot of benefits to having, roller shades, blinds, and shutters in your home. Some people want to do shutters across the front. They want to do some motorized shades in the back of their house where they spend the majority of their time. And then in the regular bedrooms, they just want to do either the 2-inch faux wood blinds or the 2-inch wood blinds. And we can handle all of that for you.
And in your bedroom, too, you can get where you block out the light. Because one of the things they said about sleeping, sleep in a cool room that's as dark as you can get it.
That's right. And the other thing to sleeping really well is to have great granite, quartz, and marble countertops in your bathrooms and kitchen.
Amen. Absolutely. And that's a whole new area that you've got in there. And we'll come back next week and we'll talk about countertops, okay?
That sounds great.
All right. We'll be right back right after this.